Hey guys, I am Colleen and I'm a person. I like to read and I like to write, but I do whatever on this channel. Today I'm going to quickly show you how I DIY'd my dog's dresses. Then she's going to model them for you guys like the fashionable little lady that she is. Basically, I followed this pattern which has two main parts, the shirt, then the skirt. I cut two of each, one for the outer fabric, then another for the lining. Since this is a half pattern, don't forget to cut it on the fold. Then I cut out some Velcro, a small circular one for the collar and a bigger rectangular one for the body of the shirt. I pinned those in place and sewed them on. If you're gonna try this, be mindful of the placement both on the outer fabric and the lining. Next, I attached the pink fabric to the lining with the outer sides facing inward. I did this for both the shirt and the skirt. Then I turned both parts outside out. They're gonna look like this. I also got some ribbon and a half ring buckle. I wedged that between the shirt part and the skirt so that I'll have somewhere to hook her leash later on. Lastly, I attached the shirt and skirt parts with the buckle at the center of both. And there you have it, a dog dress. Ewok is quite small, so I didn't really use a lot of fabric for this project. Since I have poor self-control, I made another 4 dresses. A Cinderella-themed one with white flaps and a lace trim. A Santa-themed one with a velvet belt and gold button. Since my mom is a big K-drama fan, I also made Ewok a hanbok with a detachable Nordige in case she's in one of those destructive moods. And this Christmas tree with pom-pom ornaments and bells. As promised, here she is modeling the dresses. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you're looking to make clothes for your dog, I hope this helped. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!